spectacular. This is going to New York. We paint machines and panels every day. Got a San Remo Opera there. Come and have a look at this. We're going to see our tech workshop. So we have 8 full-time techs working every day, Monday to Friday, working on machines, refurbishing, fixing, servicing, and also working on tech support for people when their machines break down. So if you're remote, if you're somewhere in America that you're worried you don't have techs, we are here to help. And these tech guys here, they're the ones that help you day in, day out.